This is one of Canon's lenses for the RF mount designed for wide-angle photography. I ordered it from Canon USA's official website. It arrived in 3 days. I'm so excited! Let's open it. I'm a beginner photographer and this is my second lens ever. My first was the default kit lens. I wanted something better to capture landscapes. Wow, this is so light and compact. Perfect for traveling. The lens has a fixed focal length of 16mm, and a maximum aperture of f2.8. It also has a stepping motor, for smooth and quiet autofocus. It looks so cool on my EOS R10. Let's try it! This was taken by my previous lens, perfect for focusing on one object. This one by my new lens. Captures a wider field of view. Is there any other lens you'd recommend a beginner like me? Please let me know.